Listen to this, guys. Cathie Wood finally bought into SOFI stock on the 23rd of June. She bought around 280,000 shares roughly, which I think is about 0.25% of the fintech fund, which really is nothing. But I do think this is a starter position and she will build it out over time. And check this view out, guys. This view is beautiful. We have City Hall right there, a bunch of big buildings. Check this out. This is unbelievable. But what's even crazier is the fact that Cathie Wood bought into SOFI stock, which you guys know this stock's been doing very well over the past couple of weeks, and really it's because of a couple of catalysts here. Really, the main factor here is, the main catalyst is the fact that student loans are about to be back, guys, and they make so much money from refinancing, giving back, or giving out student loans, and Gen Z, in my opinion, will really be the biggest customer here for SOFI, and they're a big demographic, guys. They're coming up now. So what do you think? SOFI's been doing very well. Cathie Wood just bought in, and it's actually down to about $7-8 per share right now from the recent $10 high. So this could be a good entry point, potentially. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as always, and follow along for more.